Are you looking for the best soldering stations? In this video we will look at some of the best soldering stations the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Hacko FX888D23BY Digital Soldering Station. Hacko offers one of the most premium soldering stations available on Amazon. Instead of providing obsolete accessories, it comes only with the necessary items. The Hacko FX888D23BY soldering station is in the first position in this article as it is quite easy to use. It comes with a digital screen that shows you the temperature. And you also get a stand with a metal shaving pad and a sponge for cleaning. This soldering station offers a temperature range of 120 to 900 degrees Fahrenheit and consumes up to 70 watts of power. Work voltage, 110 V. Power rating, 70 watts. Temperature range, 120 to 900 degrees Fahrenheit. Components: T18D16 soldering tip. Chisel 1.6. Wire tip cleaner. Stand. Base unit. A sponge. Metal shavings pad. Number 2. Xtronic model number 3020 digital LED 75 watt soldering iron station. Xtronic offers multiple soldering tips with its soldering station. And all accessories offer great quality for the given price. Xtronic's 3020 soldering station comes with 5 extra soldering tips. And you also get a brass tip cleaner with cleaning flux which makes the solder reliable. You also get a 10-minute sleep function, auto cool down, C/F switch and various other smart features. The whole station is ESD safe including the iron stand which makes it quite safe. You can easily adjust the temperature using the screen and temperature dial. Work voltage, 110 V. Power rating, 75 watts. Temperature range, 392 to 896 degrees Fahrenheit. 3-year warranty. The Xtronic Model 3020 Digital 75 watt soldering station is a powerful quick temp unit and is manufactured for the beginner as well as expert users and will definitely exceed your expectations with its quality and durability compared to any soldering iron station in its class. This unit takes less than 30 seconds to heat up from 200 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius, 392 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit. The complete kit includes 75 watt soldering station, 60 watts used for soldering iron and 15 watts used for mini motherboard and soldering iron, with 2 helping hands for propping up smaller PCBs right in front of the unit for you to work on, a 100% silicone tool mat, 5 extra sizes/styles of soldering tips along with side mount solder roll holder, 50G roll of 60/40 solder, spring-style soldering iron holder and brass sponge tip cleaner with supply of cleaning flux in the tin plus a wet sponge. Features: ESD safe, 10-minute sleep timer, centigrade to Fahrenheit toggle switch, blue LED readout on control panel, PID, proportional integral derivative, technology often referred to as magic temperature compensation technology, 40-inch very pliable soldering iron cord, virtually no memory, and a 55-inch power cord from wall plug to main unit. Number 3. Weller WLC 140 watt soldering station. Weller offers a value for money product with its soldering station. You get all the required items without paying extra. Weller WLC 100 is in the third position due to its affordable price tag. And yet it offers a high-performance solder which goes up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit. Despite its compact size, you get an iron holder, temperature control, and a cleaning sponge. It is a highly durable soldering station as it also offers a 7-year warranty. You can use the pencil iron even on small circuits without any issues. The high-performance analog Weller soldering station produces up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit to handle many soldering projects. Variable power control dial adjusts power from 5 watts to 40 watts for accuracy. Quality: lightweight pencil iron with cushioned foam grip provides extended comfort during long-term soldering projects. Includes a Weller certified ST3 iron-plated tip for long life and consistent performance, a built-in soldering holder to safely rest your pencil, and a cleaning sponge to remove unwanted residue from soldering for next time use. Tested and meets independent safety standards. Number 4. YIHUA862BD plus SMD ESD Safe 2-in-1 soldering iron station. IAWA offers a highly advanced soldering station with a large number of accessories. It even includes a 500W hot air gun for heating up circuits. You get a total of 3 LED displays in this soldering station for temperature control. This soldering station offers 5 soldering tips for working on any circuit. And you can also set a sleep timer for the iron. The wire of the soldering iron is made out of silicone, which is quite flexible for easily soldering circuits. And you can clean it every time you put it on the stand. The ETL certified genuine YIHUA862BD plus 2in1 soldering plus hot air rework station comes with a roll of lead-free solder, 35G, 5SGS certified soldering tips for hot air nozzles, ESD safe tweezers, desoldering pump, metallic iron holder, tip cleaner, brass wool with rosin flux, cleaning sponge, and icy popper. PID temperature control technology. This unit features temperature control technology, which the program will cycle every 20 milliseconds to detect the actual temperature of the soldering iron's heating element, quickly corrected with a rapid return to the correct set temperature. 75W soldering performance. The temperature adjustable from 390 to 896 degree F, with PID temperature stabilization powered by dual-core microprocessor. Comes with 0-99 minutes adjustable sleep mode to help extend the soldering tip and heating element's lifespan when not in use. Number 5. Sinley i85-86-110V soldering iron station. Sinley I is a combination of soldering iron and hot air gun. Apart from soldering tips, you also get tweezers, soldering wire, desoldering pump, and several other accessories. It has a 2-in-1 display which can be used to adjust the temperature of the soldering iron as well as the hot air gun. The power rating of the hot air gun is 700W while it is 60W for the soldering iron. Speaking of the iron, it uses nichrome for its heating material. This soldering station is quite compact and easy to use. You can find the stand, temperature control, tip cleaner, etc. all in one place. Rework and soldering 2-in-1 SMD hot air rework station and soldering iron. Digital LED display. The product adopt microcomputer control. A hot air is digital LED display the temperature. Solda station features high power, quick warming up, temperature stabilization, and is impervious to air and long life and low noise. It have inductance in the handle. It will be quickly to work when you take the handle. When the handle is returned to the shelf, the machine will automatic stoppage. Widely used, designed for soldering or desoldering SOSI, chip, QFP, PLCC, BGA, and other temperature-sensitive components, essential tool for cell phone repair, laptop repair, or circuit board soldering. 1 9-in-1 full kit. The packing include 1x85-86 solder station, 12* solder iron tips, 1* 6-in-1 BGA tools, 1* desoldering pump, 2* tweezers, 1* soldering iron heater, 1* hot air gun heater, 1* IC puller.